Electronic displacement in covalent bond. This is the basic concept required to understand the mechanism of organic reactions chapter. First point is organic compound mainly consist of covalent bonds. Generally, most of the organic compounds are bonded with covalent bonds properties. Electronic displacement in a covalent bonds may occur either due to presence of some atoms or group in a molecule under the influence of attacking reagents. Means, suppose in a covalent bond, suppose here in the chlorine, not chlorine. Actually, suppose hydrogens and hydrogens. They are covalently bond, but this can be represented like this. Here the hydrogens hydrogens one electron, they are covalently bonds. Means this is a share by both the atoms, but due to attacking reagents, due to electronics displacement, या electronic distribution, we can say electronic displacement, yeah, we can say electronic distribution. Both are the same meaning. So when there is some attacking reagent, some atoms or groups is attached with this, but so there is a distribution of the electrons, there is a displacement of electron, it is now in the middle, but after some circumstances, some atoms or some more electronic atoms will present in either side, then there is a slightly shift of these electrons towards one atoms. It will not in the middle, it will shift it towards some more electronegative atoms. It will shift anywhere, but it will not remain in the middle positions. So we will say that this is electronic displacement, electronic distribution. Now it is look like this, but after here it is shifted in the left side, it may shift in the right side, it may shift in the right side, it may shift in this right side. So there is a shift of this electronic distribution. Here I am showing in the dot electron, but in the practically it will not look like this. It will be in the electronics cloud, there will be in the electronics cloud, and electronics cloud will be distorted in either direction. They will more in the one directions, one way, another directions there will be less in this way. But here in the practically I am not showing here, I am theoretically showing in the paper. So I am showing in the middle, the electrons will be in the middle, but after due to some regions, due to some atom groups, they will shift, displaced, distributed in either side of atoms. So I am written electronic displacement in the covalent bonds may occur either due to presence of some atoms group in the molecule or another influence of attacking reagent. Means this will shift it to the left or right side. It will not completely shift it to left, but slightly more, but it will shift left or right. So it is shifting because of some atoms or groups, some attacking reagents will be there, then they will be shifting it occurs, distribution occur, displacement occur. As a result of this electronic displacement, center of different electron density are created. These are susceptible to the attack by the reagent. Means if this will be in the middle, but after shifting, if they will come in the right side, then this is more plus charge. This will generate more plus charge, this will generate more minus charge. Means they will behave like a more having more plus charge, this will behave like more having negative charge. So this will negative charge will be attacked by electrophile, this positive charge will attacked by nucleophile. So electrophile, nucleophile, they will more susceptible to the attacks. Means if electrophile will be there, then they are attacked by this electrophile. So here I have written, as a result of electronic displacement, center of different electron density created. Means different electron density, means this will have less electron density, this will have high electron density. So this will susceptible to the attack by the electrophile. Means electron deficient reagent will attack these atoms, and electron rich reagent will attack these atoms, react with these atoms, so they are susceptible to the attack by the reagent. So in this way I am saying, if different electron density, electron displacement will be there, different electron density will be created, they are susceptible to the attack by a reagent. The factor which create the center of different electron density in the substrate are called electronic effect. Means center of different electron density created in the substrate, in the reactant side. Then there is a process. The mechanism of creating different electron density and the electron displacement happening in the compounds, that is called electronics effect. Electronics effects is the reason for this happening, and the process is called electronics effect. We will learn electronics effect in detail. There is a classification of electronics effect. A standard definition of electronics effect: the effect due to electronic distribution or displacement is called electronics effect. Electronics effect is classified into two types: permanent effect and temporary effect. Permanent effect is called polarization effect, but temporary effect is called polarizability effect. And the permanent effect is classified into inductive effect, mesomeric effect, and hyperconjugation. And temporary effect is classified into inductomeric effect, electromeric effect. We have to in temporary effect we have to learn little bit about electromeric effect, not much, little bit, but learn about the electronic effects, and we have to learn in detail about inductive effect, mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation. We will learn. These are very important. These three are very important. We have to learn one by one in detail. In very detail we will learn. And these are the electronic displacement. In any compound there is electronic displacement will occur. So here this electron shifted more toward this, there is electronic displacement. Here this will shift like this, there is electronic displacement. Actually in ideal this is in the middle, but here is a more in the left side, this is in the right side, this is in left side. Electronic displacement occur, so they are susceptible to the attack of reagent. And the process of this different electron density and electronic distribution is called electronics effect, and electronics effect classify into this category. We will learn one by one. First of all we will learn about the inductive effect in detail.